Hi, I'm Sharee Harris with Fathom Realty. So I'm here because I took a class on how to garden in the desert. It is so different here and it has a lot of interesting challenges. Today I'm at the Tonic Garden that's right next to Thunder Junction. I've done a whole video about what a fun park that is. So if you hear the train in the background, that's what I'm talking about. I'll post a link to that video below. One thing is the soil is there's the clay and the rock and the sand, and none of those are good for growing a garden. And so we learned a lot about compost and amending the soil, also about our growing season. So our growing season is 196 days and we have frost. I mean, of course this can vary, but they say about from October 23rd-ish to about April 1st is when you have to worry about freezing. So we have a lot of time to grow things here and we have a lot of sunshine. I learned that on the packet of seeds, you'll read maybe like full sun. That doesn't necessarily apply to here. Full sun is going to totally fry the plants. So one way to help your plants thrive during the heat of summer is to use shade cloth. So you can rig up something using like PVC pipe, just Google it, there's some great ideas. But you can build that and put over your garden boxes. So they recommended putting that shade cloth starting in probably like May and then keeping it until sometime in August was what the teacher talked about. Some of the kids, they weren't kids, some of the adults in the class said they actually keep it all the way to like the end of September. But it just shows the plants really do so much better with that shade cloth. I also learned about some great resources. One was just this class that I was at, which is put on by the Washington County Water Conservancy District. That's a mouthful. But they put on classes here at Tonic Gardens. I think I saw some at the Tonic Nature Center, which is right here nearby as well. So the Red Hills Desert Gardens and the Tonic Gardens, they have trails that kind of go wind around with signs that are so helpful. There's educational signs that talk about watering, and there's little labels by the plants, and gives you great ideas for what to do with your grass, your trees, your gardens, your flowers, like a wide variety. I find it really inspiring, gives me ideas of what I can do for my own home, as well as I have the coolest app, and I will put a link to it below. But I use this app to take pictures when I'm out walking of plants that I like in people's yards or houses I'm showing, and it will pull up and tell me all about the plants, if they're poisonous, and just great information. So that's one way to help you pick out plants that thrive in this environment. Another resource is the Utah State University Extension. They have an office in this area. You can go there and gather more information. They can also help you with soil testing. And like I mentioned, the soil is a problem here, so it's a great resource to figure out exactly how you need to amend the soil according to what you're trying to grow. They also have some classes I noticed when I was looking online. And so check out that resource if you're getting ready to grow things here. Thank you so much for watching. I'm excited to get started on my own garden and share with you how that goes. Please subscribe to get updates about living in the St. George area and all things real estate. Talk to you soon.